decided to go solar. Here's a breakdown of what to expect during the installation process. Pre-installation. This will involve inspections of your roof and electrical system and system design that will determine the sizes and quantities of equipment needed. Equipment delivery. The solar panels, mounting hardware, inverter, batteries, and other necessary equipment will be delivered to your home. Installation day. While adhering to safety precautions, we will undertake the following. Securely install the mounting system. Carefully position the solar panels for maximum sun exposure. Connection of panels to inverter and your home's electrical system. Thorough testing of the system for safety and functionality. We will also train you on how to use